Hello everyone and welcome back to the App Jobs channel, where we talk about all the ways you can make money using apps. Today we're going to talk about how legit Survey Junkie is and how you can make money with it. But before we jump into this video, make sure to give this page a like so you're always seeing your Facebook videos when we have new posts and new videos. And after you've done that, we're good to go. So to start off, Survey Junkie is one of the oldest platforms to make money in doing surveys. They basically connect your voice with big brand companies and you help out shape up the world, giving your opinions. And you get paid for it. But one of the biggest questions for companies like this is that legit? Is it a scam? Is this for real? You know, those kind of questions. And if that's what you're asking, I dig the internet. I went online and I tried to find a bunch of reviews and blog posts about Survey Junkie to give to you facts proving that Survey Junkie is legit and that you can make money with it. So let's jump into those facts. First one, and maybe this is like a lesson for your life if you're trying to make money doing surveys online. Survey Junkie doesn't have a fee for you to sign up. And that's one of the biggest red flags if you see any website to do surveys that ask for a fee, ask for credit card information. Do not give it. That's probably a scam. So yes, first proof that Survey Junkie is not a scam and it's completely legit is the fact that they have no fee. You sign up for free and you can start doing your surveys. The second fact is obvious, that if you go online trying to see if something's legit or not, you can see a bunch of reviews, videos, blog posts, people giving their opinion on their experience with Survey Junkie and how real and legit it is. So Survey Junkie has a system point that I'm going to explain later on, but just so you know, you already start on the website making points. So you already get 25 points to sign up. You get 5 points when you finish the How It Works session. When you complete your profile, you have 50 points. And when you confirm your email, you have 25 points. So this means that by the time you finish just the first steps, literally 10 minutes on the website signing up, you will have a couple hundred points already. Another thing that is legit about Survey Junkie is that the surveys generally start with the first part where you have to add your information to see if you are eligible or qualified to do that survey. And in those first moments of the survey, it's actually the most detailed one where you have to add all your information. And generally in survey websites, when you're adding your information and you find out that you're not qualified for that, boom, you get out of the survey, you don't get anything. But with Survey Junkie, you get points even with the ones that you did not go all the way through, that you were not qualified. So let's say, for example, that you added your information, how far it goes. The survey is worth 20 points, but you were not qualified, you answered a couple questions, or you took some time to do it, you still might get 3 to 5 points just for doing that part. So that's pretty legit because your work is actually compensated, even if you don't complete the survey. And that's another thing that makes Survey Junkie not a scam, because the system for the points is very straightforward and clear. So you will earn points for every survey that you complete and also the ones that you were not qualified to finish. And each 100 points is worth $1, so that's pretty straightforward. The minimum you can cash out is 1,000 points or $10, and you can cash out with PayPal or change it for gift cards. And that amount of $10 is actually the lowest you can find out there, because most survey websites, they generally let you cash your points up to $20 or $25. Survey Junkie is so legit that if you are inconsistent with your answers, they can actually stop giving you surveys or even suspend your account. So this is very serious. Another thing is the information that they give. If you go to check out the question, how much money can I make doing surveys with Survey Junkie, they actually say right to your face that you're not gonna get rich doing surveys. The rewards can vary, but with commitment and regular participation, you can get some serious extra cash. On top of that, Survey Junkie is not a scam because they are running away from what makes survey websites a scam. Offers. Offers is when a survey website gives you points to join a subscription that you will later on have to cancel so you don't get billed. And obviously people forget to cancel that or just get lost in your emails, and then boom, you have to pay something that you were trying to get money from. So that's when the scam thing happens, and Survey Junkie does not do that. Another proof that is always a good way to check out is that the website is very clear and straightforward, user-friendly. So when you're there, you can see all your points, you can see the surveys you made, you can see how many points you're gonna get from the survey. So it's very clear what you're gonna do, and you can see all of your progress and growth. Alright, now you know that Survey Junkie is legit and you can make money with it. But this wouldn't be a real video on Survey Junkie if I didn't show you the red flags that we found when we were doing our research about this website. So there are a few isolated situations where some people had their profiles closed without a warning, but that can also be related to not being consistent with your answers. So just so you know, there were some profiles that were closed out of nowhere, but that might be a proper reason for that. Another thing that you have to pay attention is that Survey Junkie is only available in the US, Canada, the UK, Australia and New Zealand. So if you're not living in any of these countries, you actually can't make money with Survey Junkie. Alright, I think this is pretty much it for this video. Make sure to give this video a like and also check the links that we put here in the description of this video, just so you know all the links and everything we use to make this video, all the fonts we use to get this information. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!